Welcome to Baan Suan Sathon Cafe, a hidden tropical retreat in the heart of Bangkok. Tucked away from Bangkok's busy streets, this peaceful garden feels like another world. Join us for a relaxing walk through one of the city's hidden gems. Towering tropical trees create a refreshing natural canopy. Every winding path reveals another peaceful corner. The gentle sound of water sets the tone for this tranquil escape. Baan Suan means garden house, a perfect name for this oasis. Nature is the star here, with greenery in every direction. The rainforest-inspired landscape creates a calm atmosphere. Sunlight filters softly through layers of tropical leaves.
Yeah.
Even on hot afternoons, the gardens remain pleasantly cool. Wooden walkways invite you to slow down and explore. Take your time, there's beauty around every bend. The colorful koi ponds are among the cafe's highlights. Koi are symbols of luck, perseverance, and prosperity. Watch their graceful movements beneath the crystal clear water. Each ripple reflects the surrounding greenery. Water features throughout the garden bring a sense of calm. The sounds of flowing streams soften the city's distant noise. It's easy to forget you're in the middle of Bangkok. Many locals visit here to escape the fast pace of city life. Others come to read, relax, or meet friends over coffee. The cafe blends modern comfort with lush tropical Every viewpoint offers a beautiful photo opportunity. The landscaping has matured beautifully over the years. Large ferns, palms, and tropical plants create a jungle-like setting. Look closely, and you'll notice countless shades of green. Birds and butterflies often visit these peaceful gardens. Nature is always changing, making every visit unique. The wooden bridges blend seamlessly into the landscape. The peaceful ponds reflect the sky and surrounding trees. This is the perfect place to slow your breathing and unwind. Take a moment to enjoy the calming sounds around you. Hidden cafes like this show another side of Bangkok. They remind us that quiet spaces still exist in busy cities. The designers carefully balanced nature with architecture. Every pathway encourages exploration without feeling rushed. Small details make a big difference, from stonework to flowing water. The atmosphere changes beautifully as sunlight moves through the trees. If you love nature, you'll feel right at home here. Many visitors stay longer than planned, simply enjoying the peaceful setting. The koi continue their gentle dance, adding life to every pond. In Japanese and Chinese traditions, koi represent determination and success. The lush surroundings help create a naturally cooler environment. This cafe is popular with photographers and plant lovers alike. Every corner tells a different visual story. The mix of textures and colors keeps the scenery interesting. Pause for a moment and simply enjoy the view. Sometimes the best travel memories come from quiet places like this. There's no rush here, only the simple joy of exploring. Bangkok is famous for its energy, but places like this offer balance. Hidden behind the greenery is a peaceful escape from daily life. The gentle pace of this walk invites you to relax. Notice how each section has its own unique character. From ponds to pathways, every detail feels intentional. This is more than a cafe, it's a garden experience. If you're visiting Bangkok, this hidden spot is worth discovering. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful journey. We hope this walk has brought you a moment of calm. Until the next adventure, keep exploring the world's hidden places. If you enjoyed this tour, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more relaxing walks to you. See you again soon for another hidden destination. Thanks for walking with us through Baan Suan Sathon Cafe. Take one last look at this beautiful tropical sanctuary. May this peaceful scenery inspire your next adventure. Safe travels, and see you in the next Walking Habibi video. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this relaxing walk. See you on the next adventure.